Make way for a wrestling machine.
The following contest is a tornado tag team match. Introducing first, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, weighing in at 237 pounds, Kurt Angle.
The wrestling machine, one of the all-time greats, Kurt Angle.
And his partner from New York, weighing in at 240 pounds, Brian Blair.
Some would say this superstar thinks a little too much of themselves, but the tape doesn't lie. This is a serious contender for any title.
They need to loosen up, have a little fun, heck, maybe even lose a match once in a while.
That is horrible advice. Saxton, stop dancing.
I can't help it. It's like my hips and my hands have a mind of their own.
And from the Isle of Samoa, weighing in at 425 pounds, Rikishi!
Not only an all-time great, but the father of Jimmy and Jey Uso. The real person responsible for their tag team prowess, Saxton.
And their dance moves, too. Hey, guys, you think Rikishi would give me a dance lesson?
Absolutely not, Saxton. With any luck, you'll get a stink face.
No. Rikishi wouldn't do that to me.
The thing about Rikishi, guys, is he loves to have fun, right? But he's all business when the bell rings.
That's the best part. Once the music stops, Rikishi, one of the most threatening superstars in all of WWE.
It's Eddie!
And from El Paso, Texas, weighing in at 228 pounds, Eddie Guerrero!
So many historic memories of Latino Heat. I know our colleague JBL speaks so highly of the respect he holds for Eddie Guerrero, one of the all-time greats.
Well, Eddie Guerrero was always seen as an underdog. Granted, he would cheat on occasion to even the playing field. But hey, how can you not get behind a guy like Latino Heat?
Here we go, tornado tag team match where no tags will be needed.
The question will be, what team is going to thrive in this environment? You'll be surprised how much chemistry can change when you don't need to hold the tag rope.
And he heads out of the ring, no countouts, no worries. Taking this one back to the ring now.
Oh my gosh!
Well scattered reversal there.
Round and round we go. Insult to your injury.
Oh, what a kick. Can he do it here? He forces a break before the count of two.
Strong kick out, but you have to wonder if he can keep it up.
Gets out of there in a hurry. Snapmare takedown and a... Ooh! Oh, come
shortcut to bypass a clean competition.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with a shortcut, Saxton.
That's gonna hurt. He returns to the ring. His shoulders are down. And he manages to kick out at one.
Staying in this one.
He's got him here. He's got him up. And the damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
Oh, no. Getting in position. What's he planning to do here? Targeting the shoulder with the claw.
No. Teammate in to save the match.
Not over yet. Vicious right forward.
Gets him with the counter. Is it enough here? No, he breaks the shoulder before three.
Close call. That was almost lights out.
And that was a precisely measured attack.
What a barrage of stops. That was a showing of control and aggression, something they'll want to keep up.
And he set him up. It could be time for the triple verticals. Spin those hips in. There's number two. And here comes
Three amigos from Latino Heat.
Oh, from behind.
Oh, wow.
Frankensteiner.
Nice. Rikishi is all business now.
He's certainly lining him up, but he's wasting too much time. Russian leg sweep. Rikishi slipping some here.
There's the sling blade. And a basement drop kick.
Vicious knee drop.
Fisherman suplex.
Good angle.
Angle slam. Looking for the victory. Two. No, Eddie Guerrero says not yet.
Really had less than a second to stay alive there.
And back in the ring we go.
Can you believe this?
Guerrero picks the leg. Looking to end this here. The ankle lock. He's in.
Body is not meant to bend that way.
He is in serious trouble here and finds his way out.
Clothesline. Climbing up to the top now. And that definitely made solid impact.
On the top.
That could take the whole complexion of this match. Uh-oh. Bulldog.
Down right on the neck.
Kick to the midsection. Sunset.
Uh-oh, this is not going to look pretty. Submission being applied.
I'm going to tap out here, but it ain't going to matter.
He's still doing a lot of damage.
Saving his team. Turns around, Angle's move. And he's taking this to the outside now.
Slow him down. Oh, yeah. Rikishi is feeling the energy right now.
Able to push off and avoid that attack. Clothesline. He's in a little bit of trouble now. And a reversal by Guerrero. He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him.
This is a pretty dangerous place to fight. Screens, exposed metal, ledges, so much could go wrong very quickly.
German suplex.
And now he's going to lock in this submission.
Intensity and anger boiling over, all coming to a head up on the stage.
As we can only see, it's fighting out of it. Successfully does. Couple effective shots.
And there was some force on that move. Oh, kick connects. Had that one scouted. Hip drop.
I've been waiting to see that.
This arena can't contain them, and if history's any indication, nothing good's about to happen up there either.
He knew what was coming, and he has an answer for Rikishi.
Each superstar trying to stay a step ahead.
Back, snap suplex. Facing off to the top of the ramp.
I don't know what's going to happen, but it's going to hurt.
Armringer into the Kimura.
And he
keeps his focus on an attack to that area. This won't win the match, but it's doing a lot of damage in the process.
There's no escape, but maybe there is. Wow, how impressive is that?
Fisherman suplex! And his core has been taking a beating.
And you have to wonder if that's affecting his breathing.
Setting him up for the flip.
Oh, man, face first.
And the possibility for serious injury just went way up.
These superstars are starting to get very imaginative right now. You have to think someone's looking at that stage and getting some dark thoughts.
Oh, the reversal by Rikishi.
Oh my goodness, dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball. Plenty of ways to get creative. Up on the entrance area.
Also plenty of ways to get yourself seriously hurt.
Uh-oh. Elbow drop. Crank in the head. Jarring impact.
Eddie Guerrero looking for the submission. It's locked in deep. It is painful. It is the lasso from El Paso.
The Olympic gold medalist. The lasso from El Paso. A reversal, though. We're reaching a point where these superstars must be hurt, must be vulnerable.
And who's going to find a way to capitalize on that vulnerability?
Right in the face.
My God.
This fight has made its way to the entranceway.
Oh, man, so many things can go wrong now. Grabbing a hold of the arm. All the way down.
Got her. Targeted the arm. This is laser focused on the arm there. Oh, this does not look good. Outside the ring, dangerous area here.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Don't do this.
Punishment by any means necessary.
And Rikishi is being pushed past the break now.
Rikishi might be dangerously close to being put away. Enough already.
We've already seen a few shots delivered up in that region.
German suplex. Setting him up for the...
He's heading back to the ring.
And some effective offense with that one.
Plenty of ways to get creative. Up on the entrance area.
Also plenty of ways to get yourself seriously hurt.
Double knee face breaker. Moves outside. What's the plan here?
Oh, gets put into the barricade. On the outside. Back suplex over the barricade. I don't like the look in his eye here.
From the heavens, good Lord, taking flight.
That's gravity taking a break before coming down like thunder.
Clotheslines.
Good Lord.
So effective. And what a maneuver we just saw there.
Straight punch, nothing fancy. Big time knee rocks his opponent.
Flatliner.
Breathtaking head scissor takedown.
Driven into the barricade.
Quick return to the ring.
Out of the ring. What's his plan here?
All the way over. Big forearm.
Nice takedown. He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush. Oh, he's got him here. He's got him up.
And
German suplex.
And he's already taken.
Up on their shoulder.
Samoan driver. And imagine if his own move leads to his downfall.
Victory. A win.
Here are your winners, Brian, Bell, Erie, and Kurt Angle.
An emphatic victory for your winners. An impressive effort from this duo.
These two had no trouble adapting to the stipulation and utilizing each other's strengths. Impressive stuff.